Classic Truck Rescue. Welcome back to the channel, folks. I'm going to do the unboxing and performance review of the SeeSii Cordless impact driver. I need to use it right now. I apologize about the mess. The Roadhouse garage is still under construction, but almost finished. And I need this right now because I have some very big, very old, rusty bolts and nuts to remove. And what better opportunity to give it a test than right now. So this is what you get. The owner's manual. I don't know what's in here. Oh, wow. Wow, an impact socket set. An impact socket set and extension. That's pretty cool. Comes with 5 different sockets and they're all metric. Go figure. Glad to have them though. They're thin wall sockets with a little bag. Here's the impact driver itself. Looks just like my other one. Wow, feels pretty heavy. It's kind of compact. My other one's longer. Here's the charger. And here are 2 batteries. So that's what it comes with. 21 volt batteries. Wonder if they have any juice in them. We'll go ahead and give them a charge before we get to work, and I'll be back. Oh, also, the brand, model number, and product link will be in the description. So here's the situation. I've been just dragging old trucks and frames up here because I need a front suspension, and every time I think I have the right one, I find something wrong with it. That one had 5 lug hubs on it instead of 6 lug. That one, to be honest with you, this one, there's just something kind of sketchy about. I don't know. I mean, it's probably good, but I just don't like the way this wheel is leaning out. I guess the wheel's probably bent, but if you look on this side, it's kind of flush up on there. So I don't know what's going on there, but I don't want to send that down the road to someone. So I found this one. It's got a bent drag link on it, but that one has a straight drag link, and so does that one. This one, the hubs and everything look good on, so I'm going to go ahead and pull these Mondo nuts off of there and get her off. Also, I have a whole bunch of old rusty wheels to remove. I'm starting to take all this apart. Believe it or not, I think that these frames right here will make for some good temporary industrial shelving. Film at 11, folks. So that one's good to go. I'll put the next one on the charger and we'll get busy making something happen. Wow, those are usually pretty hard to get out. So far so good. I got my parts off. Now we'll run it through the rusty lug nut test. I'm gonna go ahead and put this frame in my big building before I pull the wheels off of it, because I might need to jockey it around a little bit with the wheels on it. My tractor's having a little difficulty picking it up. Drop check. First drop check on the SeeSii. My other one cost almost $400. It looks just like this. That's a clue for you. And it served me well, but it's getting a little loose because KK and Mark beat the heck out of it. Actually, I think it was Zan and... Ooh, that is a rusty lug nut. I don't know how many years these lug nuts have been on here, but it's been a minute, folks. It's been a minute. This will give me a good set of rollers. Oh, it's got a handy dandy light. I like that. Get off of there. Come on. This is nice. Reclaimed rally wheel. Ooh. Ooh, that one didn't want to come off. That was easy. Okay. Oh. Did I miss one? See it one on there. Guess it's just been on there so long it doesn't want to come off. Pretty good little impact, or big impact, I guess. Holy cow, Batman. I'm gonna take some of this scrap OSB I got and slide it on that bottom frame and put some across the top, maybe with some 2x4s, and that's shelving, folks. Ready-made shelving. And I know a guy that's got a bunch of frames. It's gonna work out pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna go get some lube and lube up the rest of these because I still have the other half to take off. But that lug nut is hotter than heck, and those have been rusted on there for what? I don't know, decades, right? So that's working pretty good. I like this Impact. I know it's not a major brand or anything like that. I looked up the price on this. Very inexpensive, and I did put it to work on some bolts that I know are hard to get out, especially when they've been on a truck for 75 years. So SeeSii 1/2-inch drive, cordless electric impact wrench. I like it. Thanks for watching, folks.